friends, they're gonna draw a park ranger.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. You need your art supplies. You ready to start?
Yes.
Because we're using markers to draw and color with, we're also using marker paper to draw on. And we have a couple sheets just to protect our table. But remember, you don't have to use the same supplies that we're using. You can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. Let's start by drawing our park ranger's mouth. I'm going to draw it right here. I'm going to draw a mouth like this, really happy mouth. Now, you can also draw your park ranger any way you want. You can change it, different than how we draw it. You could change yours into a girl, maybe I'll draw a boy, and also you could change the mouth too. I'm gonna draw the mouth open like this, but not too far, just kind of opened. And you could also draw a tongue, or you could draw teeth. I'm gonna draw a line right here for the top and also the bottom teeth. Okay, now let's draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw a circle on the left, and you could draw winking. You could draw your person maybe really happy or laughing. You could also draw maybe the eyes are closed because your park ranger is so happy.
Or scared.
Or scared. We got two eyes. Then let's also draw a smaller circle in the top left of each eye. And then let's color in the big circle. You could also even add eyelashes if you want. You could even draw irises around the pupils if you wanted to add color to your eyes. You could even draw the white part that goes all the way around too. Now let's draw the shape of the face. I'm going to start here on the left, and I'm going to come under and draw a big letter U shape and come up on the other side. Yeah. Then let's draw the hat. And we're going to draw the really cool park ranger hat. We're going to draw a straight line that goes across and connects on each side of the letter U. And I turn my paper diagonals to make it a little easier to see where I'm drawing. Oh, I like how far you went on each side. That makes the hat look even cooler. Okay, then we can make it look thicker. I'm going to draw two short lines on each side and then connect those together also. So we've got a really wide but short rectangle shape. Perfect. Okay, now let's draw the top of the hat, and we're going to draw two lines that come up from each side first. And I'm drawing them right at the edge of the head. There you go. And one on the other side. Then right in the middle, we're going to draw an imaginary line, split the head right in the middle, come up here, and I'm going to draw a short horizontal line this way. Then on each side, we're going to come out and we're going to curve down like this and then connect in. And I kind of drew a curve going one way and then back the other way. You could also make this a little more subtle, not as curved as I drew it. Mine's really curved on that side too, but that's okay.
Mine looks like a mount.
Oh, I like it. I love it. It looks really... I love it. It looks perfect. I especially love that our two drawings don't look exactly the same. They're both turning out awesome. And it's okay if your drawings look different too. I'm sure they're turning out awesome. That's because the most important thing is...
to have fun.
Yeah, and to...
practice.
Practice. Remember to have fun and practice. Okay, let's keep going. I really like your hat.
I know,
it's my
me
favorite.
Too. I like this little bumper here.
Now let's add the details. We're going to add a little line that goes across here. Then we could also add a little buckle on the side here. And let's also draw the park ranger's badge. I'm going to draw, it looks like a curved letter V, or kind of a letter U with a little point at the bottom. Yes. And then we can draw a line that goes across the top. Nice. Now let's also draw ears. I'm going to draw a letter C here and a backward C over here. And do you want to draw hair on yours? You could draw a little curly hair right here, or you could draw straight hair. Maybe I'm going to draw hair like this, maybe some zigzags in here, and then I'm going to draw a zigzag going the other way. And you could just draw a simple S curve, or you could draw whatever you want. Oh, that looks really cool. I like that. Then you could also draw hair on the side or behind her ear. And then into her cheek. Oh, that's cute. Short hair, I like it. And then you could do the same on the other side. That's really cute. You could also add eyelashes. Remember
yeah.
the most important thing? Always add
Ashes.
eyelashes. Okay, now let's draw our park ranger's body. We're going to draw 2 lines coming down from the chin. I'm going to draw them like this and about that far down. Then let's draw our park ranger's belt. We could draw 2 lines right here. Looks like a letter H. And we could draw 2 short lines down for the buckle. And then let's also draw a tie on our park ranger. I'm going to draw the letter V right here. And then let's draw an upside down V that's a little taller. And then a short, smaller letter V at the bottom to finish the tie. Oh, and let's color it in so it looks black. This is cute. I like that one.
Big tie.
A big tie. And we can also draw a letter V on the left and also on the right for the collar. Let's add another badge. We're going to draw the curved letter V right here on the side of the shirt, and then we can draw a line to connect the top. All right, let's finish the pants. I'm going to draw a upside down letter V right in the middle. And on each side, we could draw the pants coming down to match. And then let's connect the bottom of the pants for each leg. And then let's draw the boots. I'm going to draw another shorter line on the inside. That's for the heel. Then we can draw the toes sticking out on the left and also the right. And then let's connect the bottom of the boots. And then let's also make them look like hiking boots by adding a thicker sole on the bottom of the shoes. Now what should we draw?
The arms.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm going to draw a arm that comes down and then connect into the shirt on each side. And then on mine, I'm going to draw another line right here for the end of the collar, but you could draw it where the end of the sleeve. You could draw it a little bit longer so that your arms are a little longer. Yeah. And then let's draw the hands. I'm going to draw a little curve coming into the hips on each side. Oh, and we could draw a smaller little curve inside for the thumb. We did it! We finished our park ranger, but we're not completely done.
We still need to color them.
Yes, this part is my favorite, but we are going to fast forward. So at the end, remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You could use ours as inspiration. You could color exactly the same, or you could even change your colors any way you want. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our park rangers, and they turned out perfect. I especially love yours.
Thank you.
It's really cute. And I especially love that you changed yours, and yours is a girl, and I love the short hair. And our friends could change their drawings too. What else could they add to their drawings?
They could add a background.
Oh, a background would be awesome. Maybe there's mountains or a lake. You could also even draw a park ranger truck.
Maybe even a campfire and a backpack.
Oh, that would be really cool. We used our Art for Kids Hub markers. If you have the same set, the colors that we use are 43 green. That was for the hat and also the pants. And then for the shirt, we used a light yellow, 26. And then for the skin tone, what color did you use?
97.
97. But I also changed mine to be darker. I used 103 brown and also a darker brown for the hair, 92. And what was the number you used for the hair?
14.
Yes, that's an orange color. I really like your hair.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a park ranger with us.
We do, and we hope you take extra time to color your drawings and add a background. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.